the finished look of this unit right here. So this unit was sent to me from YWigs.com. So that's YWigs.com. So there's no confusion. So this unit, I did actually install this yesterday. So I came back today to kind of do a different style. You guys will probably see another video today because I will be posting 2 videos today where I talk about a new product that I got. So I did get the bedhead, a wave We Go, which is like their new deep waver. Now I got this in yesterday. So I was like, you know what, instead of doing like a hairstyle with like a bun, which is kind of what it almost was into yesterday. So I was like, I got this yesterday. I was like, you know what, let's do like a fun little wavy style for the summer and spring. Now, if you watch me for a long time, you guys already know that I'm a huge fan of like the deep wave style or anything that has like a lot of a wave to it. Now this unit is a curly unit, so obviously I did wash and you guys saw like a little bit of the wave pattern that it had. So all I wanted to do was just amplify the wave pattern up. So I got this product from Amazon and I'll link it down below. My other deep waver actually canceled out on me, so I needed to buy a new one. And this is probably like my favorite hairstyle for the spring and summer. I didn't have to go in deep because this hair was already curly, so I just went in and just kind of fixed it up just a little bit just to amplify the pattern up and give you guys more of a visible look. I like styles like this because they're effortless, it looks fun, and it looks like it's put together but also very effortless at the same time. Now I will link this product down below. This one is very cool because this one does 4 different style waves. So it does like a tight curl, loose curl. I'll put it up here for you guys to see. So basically when you're adjusting the curl, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna twist this gadget down. We're gonna twist it up to create the wave. The higher you do, the more like loose wave pattern you'll get, and the lower you go, you'll get like a tighter pattern. So I did go and do it at a little bit of like a mid-length height, just so I can give myself kind of like a loose wave pattern. Now, like I said, this hair was curly. It is curly texture, but the curly texture to me is not a real curly texture. To me, it's almost like a loose wave texture. So I was perfectly fine with that because I knew I could toss these curls up with this. Now, this unit has 6 inches of parting space. I did do my little curve part and try to bring it back as far. It actually goes a little bit further, a little bit right here. Like it touches right there for the 6-inch part. You guys did see this unit came pre-plucked, and it didn't come bleached, but it came pre-plucked. So I didn't have to go in and tweeze this at all. All the baby hair that you see in formation right here was baby hair that they created and kind of formed it through when they pre-tweezed it. So I had to do none of that stuff. I just went in and folded those baby hairs the way I wanted to, and this is what I got. So this unit is very light. It's about 180% density. Wait, is it 180%? I'll leave that down below because I don't want y'all saying that I said that and it's not. But I did read that they said that they sent me a 20-inch. This is not a 20-inch. This is about like an 18-inch. For me, 20 inches feels like it should come like down your breast, and even 18-inch should be coming down like your boobs right here. But this one stops at a weird length even before I did put the deep wave on. So I'm gonna say this is about an 18. If you want a style like this, or you want like a short deep wave style, stick with the 18 or 16-inch. I kind of feel like 20 inches is excessive. It's almost close to, it's very, very similar to 18, like very similar to 18. So I would just get this wig in an 18 or 16 if you're going for like a nice little short kind of fluffy look. I would say that this unit is about 150% density. I do not feel like this unit is 180 or 200 if that's what it's quoted as. This to me is 150% density, hence the fact that instead of me doing the high bun look, which was fine, I ended up just doing a deep wave with a lot more volume. So I like it more like this. I didn't show you guys, but I'll add the clip in now. What I did do was I did go ahead and glue the back down. So I'll add that part in here. This is a laced front wig, but one good point about this wig is that you can actually put this in a bun. So I did go back in the back and I glued it back with the Got To Be Glue, the yellow bottom. And it stayed down pretty well. I actually ended up lifting it up just because I had like a little bit of irritation back there. I just got a shape up, so I was like, I can't right now. It's kind of irritating my scalp. So I did go ahead and lift it, but I did show you guys that you can glue this down. This can be worn as a bun look. It's not a 360 wig, but because they gave you that little bit of lace in the back, like not even a little bit, they give you a great patch of lace in the back, which is given so that you can go ahead and put it up. The sides of the wig in the back were, they did like little baby hairs that came downwards. So therefore, even if you thought that the little rim on the side here, because it's not a 360 wig, would show, it doesn't show. So this wig is very versatile. And another thing, is inexpensive. Right now, I think it's listed at $149. But like I said to you guys, if you're gonna get this, get in like 16 or 18 inches. If you're gonna go for curly styles, if you don't plan on straightening this out, which I'm pretty sure it straightens out, but because the density is not as thick as I expected, I would say I would wear this curly style. I'd wear it in a bun style like I showed you you guys, or I would just wear it like this because I feel like this right here looks very nice. It looks effortless and it looks like go-to. So I'm really excited. This hair is super soft, by the way, guys. I didn't receive any shedding. No, I didn't, because you know, when it comes to wigs and stuff like that, I don't play in the hair. Once I style it and I put my, let's see, where's that? I put my Aussie Headstrong Volume hairspray in it, the hair doesn't move for me. It stays that same way. The wind can hit me the wrong way and the hairstyle is gonna stay just right. So I definitely recommend the Aussie Headstrong Volume Hairspray. This works very good and I get it in a maximum hold. I did go in and show you guys that I put a little bit of argan oil in here. This is from the Hair Junkie. I did show this on my PR unboxing last month. Great product. It's an argan oil. I just put it all over just to give you guys a little bit of luster and a little bit of shine. So guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you want to purchase this wig from YWigs.com and save some money. Now, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.